Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone step by step. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Now scroll again and tap on Safari. This is where all your Safari browser settings are located. Once you're here, look for the option called Block Pop-ups. If the toggle is turned on and showing green, that means pop-ups are currently blocked. To disable the pop-up blocker, simply tap on the toggle so it turns off and becomes gray. And that's it. Pop-ups are now allowed in Safari. Now, if you're using a different browser like Chrome, just keep in mind that pop-up settings are managed inside the browser app itself, not in your iPhone settings. After turning this off, go back to the website where the pop-up was blocked and refresh the page. It should now work normally, and that's how to disable the pop-up blocker on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials.